right, here we are. So March 16th, we're in the red light, green light with the futures market. Red light, green light strategy, futures market. We got about 50 seconds to jump in this trade, but basically we have our switch from green to red, indicating a short, and then we have a dash line below the white line giving us permission. So we'll go ahead and short this trade here in just a second. Get ready to mark it up in about 30 seconds. So I wasn't able to trade all last week, so I missed out a bunch of winners. Hopefully this will be one of those winners that I'm getting and not have a whole bunch of winners I missed to just jump into a loser. But we will find out here in about 20 seconds. Okay, so we're jumping in short. Oh, send. Why do I not have that on? All right, so we're a little bit late getting in. I didn't have auto send on, unfortunately. But it is what it is. So we're in. All right, so we're going to put an OCO order in here real quick. OCO, and then set it and forget it, basically, until I get an alert to tell me to come back and make adjustments. We're short, so I'm going to buy it back. So we're going to put an alert in the halfway marker. All right, so there we go. So this trade's all in. Once it moves halfway, I'll come back to adjust my stops. And but if not, we'll just basically set it and forget it. All right, I got to go. See you in a little bit. Let's see how this goes out. Okay, so here we are. So good thing I put my stop in. I didn't get greedy. Set it and forget it. Hit the target, making money, and moving on. So there you go. We'll put that one in the log. We'll show you what that looks like here in a little bit. Okay, so yeah, it was great to finally get back after not being able to trade futures for a little while. I've been super busy and out of town and traveling. And first trade back is a green one. That's always good. I hate it when you're gone for like a week and you come back to a red trade. But a green one. So, but it was green because I didn't get greedy. I mean, look at this. It came. So right here we went from green to red. Dash is below the white line, indicating a short. Right? We got permission telling us short. Jump in on the close of the candle, and then we got in a skosh late, like $1 little late, almost not even. And then it came down. I got my target and I got out. So had I been greedy, I would have rode this all the way back up, and I'd be in the red right now. And there's nothing worse than going from green to red and then the market closing, waiting for the next day to open. And then you're like, oh no. And then it gaps up and you're like, man, I got greedy. So my whole strategy is based on a one-to-one. Or not necessarily one-to-one because it's not really one-to-one in the futures market as much. But it's based on just hitting one of these targets, I should say. And then it's not necessarily getting 2 or 3 or 4, which we get. But it's based on at least getting one of these to help pay for the losers when they show up. And then, of course, sometimes it blows right through and we're able to make more money when we squeeze more out. And that helps definitely pay for losers and so forth. So anyway, there we go. Didn't get greedy. Got that money. And moving on. We'll see what shows up later on this evening. So here we are with the futures log. So MES, we entered, exited. $51 after commissions, basically, is what we'll close the day out. Red light, green light is the algorithm that we used. And there you go. So far, this futures account's growing nice and slow. I just haven't been traded that much. As you can see, all these empty boxes in here. So, but that's how it goes. So here we are with March overall. So overall, we're making some money in March. One red day here. I don't know if that was from futures or day trading, but one red day. This is a combination of all the accounts. And then today, pretty sweet day, 237 between the futures and the day trading. And then, hopefully we'll get some futures trades tonight. We can bring them to you. I won't be trading March 19th, and I think I'll be trading the rest of the week. So we should be good. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow.